Hello, Procrast creators. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I am here because I get a lot of comments and questions about print and cut and what type of printer it is, and can I use my printer? Can I print directly from the Cricut? So I am just gonna go over a few of those kind of things today because that is the majority of the questions that I receive from my other videos. So I just want to take some time to hopefully clear that up for you guys. So one, you can have any printer that connects to your computer, you can use, and you're using it just like you would send a document to a printer. You will send your file to that printer through Design Space. So I will show you that in a few minutes. No, you cannot print from the Cricut machine itself. You can draw there, but you cannot print from the Cricut machine. It's not a printer. So you need a printer of your own, whether it's wireless or whether you connect it using a USB cord. You need your own printer. Like, can I use my own printer? What type of printer do I have to have? You can have any printer you want. You know, HP, Canon, whatever type of printer you have. If it prints, you should be able to use it. I think I said that enough. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and get to this activity. Okay, so I guess the easiest thing here is to start with the printer. I use an HP printer. This is the one that I'm using for this demonstration. It's not the one that I use all the time because I have another printer in the house that I like a little bit better that doesn't go through ink the way this one does. But any printer you have, you can use. So just a standard printer. So here's the image that we're going to do the print and cut activity on. But before I do that, I just want to show you again, because this is another question that I get frequently. For this particular project, I am doing a label. So I use the Silhouette clear sticker paper. Cricut has clear sticker paper. So as you can see right here, it says cut and print. We're not going over how I made those labels today. We can do that on a different day. Right now we're just going to hit make it, and it takes us to the actual mat, where again you can see it says print and cut here. Everything is located on the mat. There's a square around the mat because that square helps the Cricut Maker or Explorer 2, whichever you have. It helps it find this image and know where to cut. So the Cricut Design Space puts that box around it automatically so that it knows where to find these things. So here we're just going to hit continue. And as you can see, after it's found my maker, and then it's saying print. If we've already printed it, we would go here. But since we have not, we're going to hit print, send to printer. Now again, this is just like sending a Word document to your regular printer. You find which printer you're going to use, and I'm actually going to change my printer. I'm going to send it to my other printer because honestly I made a video already and sent it to my 3700 printer and it kept printing in black and white, so I gotta talk to HP about that. But you can hit advanced options to get all of your other printer options, and there you have it. So depending on what you want, you make your selections there, and then you can hit print. Okay, so once you send it to your printer, just like I said, just like any other document that you're printing on your printer, it sends it directly to the printer. There is no more to it than that. It sends it to the printer, and as you can see, it's printing it out just like you print out any other document. You just need to know whether your paper goes face up or face down. So just like any other printer, it sends it and prints off. Okay, so once you pull it off the printer, it says printed, and then it takes you to the next step, which is selecting your material. You hit browse all material. I am going to go to paper. And then if you were doing iron-on, of course you would go to iron-on, but I am using sticker paper for this example. So here I am going to find where it says sticker paper. Select that and hit done. And just like your other projects, you're going to load your mat. So I'm going to do that now. And it is going to look at that after I hit the Cricut button. It is going to look at the black line, detect where everything is. So as you can see, that light comes on. It's detecting where the image is so that it knows where it has to cut. So it's going to do that for a few moments, and then it is going to start cutting the image. So I'm going to let it do that. And if you need to see that whole process, you can watch some of my other videos. Possibly. I don't like to show y'all stuff that you don't need, that you can't do anything with. So I am going to let this cut now. As you can see, it's cutting around my image. Okay, it's done with that one. So that's how that works. And then of course you'll kick it out of the Cricut Maker and then you use it how you would like. Alright, so hopefully this was helpful and it answers all of your questions in regards to the printer and print and cut. If it does not, please leave comments below and I will gladly answer those comments as I get them. I am here to help you, so if I need to do another video, I'll do that as well. And since I'm doing that for you, if you would for me, subscribe to us. Subscribe, be a procrastinator, as well as hit the like and the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos out. Thank you as always. Please check out the affiliate links below and I'll see you all the next time. I'm tired. I'm going to